like to express our special thanks of gratitude to our teacher and advisor, Sir Jano Peralta, as well as our principal, Ma'am Elvira Viray, who gave us the golden opportunity to do this wonderful project on the topic of COC1, Disassemble and Assemble, which helped us to learn a lot in the research and the course of completion of this project.
We are from Pangasinan National High School.
And now, we are gonna show you on how to disassemble and assemble the name of the parts and its function. First step, remove any jewelry or watch. Wear anti-static wrist if the system unit is plugged on. Second step, remove all the wires that are connected to the motherboard. Third step, carefully remove the CMOS battery and RAM. Fourth step, unscrew the CPU fan diagonally. Fifth step, carefully remove the CPU or the central processing unit. Sixth step, remove the system fan. Seventh step, remove the power supply. Eighth step, remove the hard disk drive. Ninth step, unscrew each screw and gently remove the motherboard. Last step, remove the power button and the USB port. Carefully insert the USB port and the power button. Gently place the motherboard and align in a designated position. And screw all sides to secure the motherboard. place the system fan to its right position and secure. Gently place the power supply in its position and secure it with screws. Carefully put the hard disk drive and secure with 2 screws. Gently put back the CPU or the central processing unit, along with heatsink or CPU fan. Put back the random access memory and lock on the both sides. And put back all the wires to their designated area. And place the case of a system unit and secure with screws. And last, the name of the parts and its functions.
Anti-static wrist straps help to disperse static electricity generated from a person safely to ground.
Random access memory. RAM is a piece of hardware that allows stored data to be accessed randomly. Its main function to store the data temporarily.
The CPU, or the Central Processing Unit, is the brain of the computer and one of the most important chips in the computer.
A power supply unit or PSU converts mains AC to low voltage, regulated DC power for the internal components of a computer.
HDD or hard disk drive. It is also known as the hard drive. This is the computer's main storage device used to store all the data on the computer permanently.
The computer base serves mainly as a way to physically mount and counting of all the actual components inside of the computer, like the motherboard, hard drive, optical drive, floppy disk drive, and etc.
A motherboard connects and transmits signal peripherals like your keyboard, mouse, and monitor. The same can be said your components such as your CPU, GPU, RAM, and others.
This is the different components of motherboard.
Complementary metal oxide semiconductor or CMOS battery is also called coin cell battery on the motherboard. Helps the BIOS or UEFI to store the hardware configuration settings.
CPU fan, a fan on top of a computer processor. It helps pull and blow hot air off the processor, helping keep it cooler.